The spewing lava and toxic gases are showing no signs of slowing down.
Oh my gosh.
A powerful 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck the Big Island on Friday, the largest in 43 years. Since then, several new eruptive cracks have opened up in the residential community of Leilani Estates.
Crazy.
Each hundreds of yards long, splashing lava into the air and flooding streets. At least 6 active fissures have opened up so far.
You know, we're starting to see a pattern, a kind of a line.
And it could continue happening.
Yes.
And we really don't know how long.
Yes, that's the sad part about it. It could be happening for a long time. Or on the other end, like I said, mysteriously, it could just end.
It's prompting a local state of emergency. The state's National Guard has been mobilized to provide security to about 800 structures. Vladimir Dutier has the latest.
Let's go!
Lava, ash, and smoke burst out of the ground around 4:30 local time Thursday, breaking the afternoon silence.
We could hear the lava exploding right from the house.
A witness described the flowing magma as a curtain of fire. Another said the eruption sounded like a jet engine.
I smelt it and I ran to the corner, and that's when I ran into a military officer that told me that it's smoking, and I sure as heck enough take the turn, and one of my favorite streets at least was on fire.
The island has been pummeled with hundreds of small tremors since last week.
Look how deep it goes.
Leaving sizable cracks across streets and in front of homes. Hours before the eruption, a larger quake struck and plumes of smoke rose into the air. Time-lapse video taken last week showed the constant activity of the lava lake inside Kilauea's crater. Officials have been worried magma from the volcano could travel underground, threatening homes miles away.
I ran in, I grabbed the dogs, threw them in a crate, put them in the car. We moved from California to get away from forest fires. Welcome to paradise.